In this demonstration, we will show the performance of RIIM and Smart Irrigation. 4 modules are connected and placed at various distances on this site at Fornebu, an urban area here in Norway. The range between the irrigation controller and the first valve receiver is 415 meters. Then, the signal is sent to the next valve receiver, situated 200 meters away. Finally, the last valve receiver is situated 400 meters further, creating a mesh network of over 1 kilometer. The system can also be extended with up to 28 hops, allowing it to cover a much larger area. As you can see in this map, the signal was sent from the irrigation controller all the way to the last valve receiver. In this second map, we can see that it took less than 2 seconds for the signal to travel a distance of 1 kilometer through the RIIM Mesh network. The radio in the valve receivers can run for up to 7 years on 2 AA batteries, thanks to its extremely low power consumption.